It might seem every single time I come to this one lake, it's always raining. Well, if you couldn't already tell by the title of this video, I'm gonna be fishing with my Spider-Man kiddie rod today. It's gonna be a very interesting day. So, a little background information on this lake I'm fishing today. First of all, it is extremely overfished. I already know that it's gonna be a struggle today, but I think we're gonna be able to grind it out, catch some fish. Check it out, Guggen Squad, bandito bugs. These things are gonna be killer for these bass in here. I don't think many people fish these things in here, so I think that's gonna be crucial to our success today. But yeah, without any further ado, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned. First off, I haven't fished this thing in about a year, so there's gonna be some learning to do. Oh yeah. Oh, that smell hits you so hard when you open these things. Yes, sir. Look at that beautiful thing. Smells good. What I have right here is just a very simple Texas rig hook with a split shot on the bottom. We're gonna go ahead, tear off all the appendages on this bait. Gonna go ahead, thread this hook through the top, push it up, and then there we go. One of my favorite creature style baits to fish. Hopefully I'll be able to catch fish. That thing is rigged up nice and well. Oh, this smells great. Let's go ahead, get used to this, set the drag to 0. We don't want to lose a fish. I recently just re-spooled this up with 12-pound monofilament. So let's go. First cast. Boom, bombed it out there. Only thing is, there's like 3 guides on this entire rod. It's a 2-piece, so it's super light, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to like even feel a fish on this thing. I have doubts about setting the hook on this too. I might have to move somewhere else because this is super shallow. First of all, gotta move to some deeper water, but this is absolutely hilarious. I have so many memories on this rod. All the bluegill and stuff I've caught. I've never caught a bass on this thing though. However, this does take me to my roots. It will be very interesting. I don't know how well you guys can see this on film, but it is drizzling a little bit. This might actually be good for the bass bite, so not too upset about it. The only thing is I just got to get wet a little bit. I don't mind if I catch fish, but we'll see. Guys, I'm sorry. I saw a spillway and I just wanted to fish it, so I guess that's what we're doing. I don't know our chances of catching a bass out of here, but with all this rain, there are going to be some fish flushed out into here. Let's go ahead and make our first cast into that water. Okay, I'm getting used to the casting on this thing now. Well, it doesn't seem like I'm having much luck here. Last cast. What the? No way! I had a fish! I just said last cast too. All right, let's get out of here. Let's go for some real fish. Okay, this next spot is also shallow. Let's see if we can bomb this thing out there. Ooh, listen to that spool. Those DC reels can't do that. Ah, this is so overgrown with all these weeds. All right, let's keep moving. Let's move to where we can get into some deeper water. This is gonna be more of a challenge than I thought it was gonna be. Of course, the lake has to be filled with vegetation. Like, why didn't I think of that sooner before deciding to just come here and fish this thing? Out of everything, fishing this thing. Inadequate equipment plus a really bad lake is not a good video for you guys, but we're gonna try. Just walked up to this bridge, I guess. I guess this is good news. We got really deep water here actually. Oh no, it's not focusing. It's not focusing. All right, we got deep water right here. That's wonderful. I think it'll be perfect for the bandito bug. So let's go ahead and see if we can pull some type of fish out of here. Let's hit that. Yes, straight in there. We punch it in. All right, we're gonna try and target this section here now. I don't see any immediate fish here. Oh, that thing flies. Oh wait, I think I see some. Huh. Wait. Ah. Oh. Nope, that was just the bottom. Okay, let's put this back in there. Oh, this thing is so hard to cast. Oh, no way. What the? That thing came out of nowhere and smacked it. I actually had a fish on. Oh, I'm so disappointed. I literally just lost the fish. Ryan, that can't be happening. Oh, that was sad because I was just looking somewhere else for that. No, bad. Crash landed right in the weeds. Oh. Oh, yes. Got one. Fish on. Oh, no way. Am I recording? Yes, I'm recording. Get up here. Get up. No way. No way. Did we just do this? Guys, no way. Not in a million years did I expect to catch a fish on the Spider-Man rod, on the bandito bugs. These things are so killer. Okay, buddy, thank you so much for biting. That was an awesome fight you gave on that rod. See you, buddy. Whew, that is how we do it on this channel, guys. Y'all, can your bait casters do this cast? I don't think so. All right, Bridge, thanks for all you done. Caught me a fish, so I'm happy. Caught a fish on this finally. However, we gotta get more fish. All right. I think this lake has run out of places for me to fish. Gonna go ahead, switch bodies of water. We'll see you right there. And we are at the next pond. I hope we at least catch one fish here. Had one. Pretty sure that was a fish. Whoa, that's a lot of fishing line. Can't have this lying around. Good thing they placed a trash can over here. Whoa, wait a second. Is there something under here? Hold up. What is this? What am I pulling up? Ah, just some plant or something. All right, come on. Get out of there. Ah, okay. That right there is a catfish hook. Okay, in you go. Make sure you guys always do whatever you can to keep your waters clean as possible. Hey, Mr. Turtle. Oh, that guy is probably really old. He's probably older than me. Hey, buddy, how you doing? Come here. All right, nice talk. I do have a wacky rig. Let's do this. This color Senko I'm using is the Okeechobee Crawl. Honestly, this is probably not the best color for this stained water, but this is all I have right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead, tie this on, and I don't know, guys. I'm gonna try my best. Okay, I'm done. Bad idea. Shouldn't have come here, but that's all right. I got one more spot. Made it to the third pond. It's been a grind. I actually realized I don't have as much time as I thought. So let's go ahead and make the most of what we have. All right, this spot's always good. Gotta be very quiet. Senko is in. Oh, guys, we already had a fish. That fish took us in quick. Didn't have time to give a proper hook set either. Hey there, nice to see you again. Pretty good. Giving myself a little challenge in fishing with this kitty rod.
Would you believe I've been here?
Sure, why not?
Because I'm retired military.
Oh, just missed a good fish. It's so painful when you lose a fish, because then you know that if you were using normal gear, you would have caught him. But no, not in these challenges. This is part of the challenge. It's losing these fish too. I just want to catch one more fish. Just one more fish. That will make a good video for you guys, or else like you just see me missing all these fish. After digging around in my tackle box, I managed to find a little lunker hunt, hollow body frog. Yes, sir. A frog bite on this thing would be absolutely amazing. Let's give it a try. Oh, that was so sick. Something just got destroyed while on the weeds. Maybe that's the trick. Fish it on the weeds. Oh, yo, I just got a bite. All right, come on. There's always more good spots to fish. Yeesh, there's a fish blowing up all around me, except for, oh, no. Well, there was one. So guys, that is an example of what not to do. So basically what happened there was I panicked and I set the hook way too early. You guys want to wait at least 2 seconds before you set the hook. All right, y'all, we don't go home. Oh, frog. That thing scared me. However, it does confirm there are frogs in this pond. So let's go ahead and get this dub. Oh, 3, 2, 1. Got him. No, came off. He came off. Ah. See, that's the problem when you have no power behind your rod. It's legitimately impossible to hook up on these guys. But we're here to do the impossible. Oh, 3, 2, 1. Got him. Got him. Get over here. Get over here. Come on. All right, we gotta get in the water, boys. We're not letting this guy unless we do that. Woo! Check this out. This is crazy. All right, there's probably a snake in here somewhere, but yeah, there's our frogfish. Guys, there's our little frog eater on the Spider-Man rod. How cool is that? All right, buddy got him unhooked. So as a thank you to you, goodbye. You can now fly. I'm not gonna miss you. Well, a lot of things happened today. Caught 2 fish, 1 awesome frog bite at the end. I had to get in the water, so my legs are wet and itchy right now. But yeah, that challenge wasn't that fun, I'm gonna be honest. I struggled with catching the fish. I had plenty of bites and I just kept on missing them because the rod's a kiddie rod. You can't catch that many bass on it, but I did manage to do it. So one thing is I actually got a P.O. box. That way you guys can send me mail and stuff. So if you guys just want, send me drawings, send me letters, go ahead and do that. The address is down below. I want to thank you guys for watching. Once again, that wasn't very fun for me. So just because I spent 4 hours just grinding it out, please leave a thumbs up if that's all you can do. That's amazing. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this kind of content. Feel free to let me know what other kind of videos you want me to film. Oh yeah, one more thing. We are almost at 2,000 subscribers on YouTube, which is insane. I still can't believe it. So thank you guys for that as well. Well, enough talk. I gotta head back. So thank you guys for watching. And as always, fish for the adventure.